Today we're going to learn about percent increase or decrease. So, have y'all ever been shopping and you go to buy something and it's like 50% off or 40% off? And remember earlier in the year we learned how to find the discounts and all that. Well, what if all you knew is that something was originally $120 and now it's $300? Exactly. This is called increasing or decreasing the price. So the first thing I want to know, did it increase or did it decrease?
Increase.
It increased, absolutely. And so we are going to find the percent that it increased or it decreased. To do that, we're going to make proportional ratios, or you could make a box, whatever, but I'm going to do proportional ratios. The formula, if you'll go to the bottom of your page, the formula is to find the difference of the two amounts and place it over the original amount. And then you're going to set it equal to the percent you want, like you're finding, so we're going to call that what? And then what are percents based off of? 100. Now, you are going to have to memorize this formula. You will not be given this on your star chart. So you need to memorize to find percent increase or decrease. You need to know what's the difference in the two numbers over the original amount and set it equal to X over 100. Make sense? All right, let's do some examples. Number 1, the original cost was $120. The new cost was $300. What's the first thing we're going to do? We're going to subtract to find what's the difference between those numbers. So what's 300 minus 120? 180. So that's going to go up top for difference. What's going to go on the bottom? The original amount, which is 120. And you're going to set it equal to X over 100. Now, you have two options. You can solve this by cross multiplying and dividing, or you can solve it by finding the pattern and seeing what the value of X is. I don't care which way works best for you. I will do it both ways just so that we can all see. Now, if I'm going to do this no matter what can I do with these zeros? Get rid of them. Nobody wants those zeros there. Can I simplify 18 over 12?
Yes.
What can I divide both of those by? 6. Let's say I didn't know that. I would say I definitely can divide by 2. I definitely could divide by 3. And then I just keep going until I find the biggest number, which is 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. So I say, how do I get from 2 to 100? Times 50. So to get from 3 to X, I'm also going to multiply by 50. So what is 3 times 50? So I would say this is 150% increase. And yes, you will have to be able to say increase or decrease. Okay? Why was it increase? Because the amount went up. What do y'all think? Easy? All right, skip the next one. Let's go to the third one. Go to this one. First of all, is it increase or decrease? Increase, because it went from 80 to 120. What goes up top? Oh, what goes up top? I'm not doing this. The difference. What is the difference of 120 minus 80? 40. So that number goes up top. What goes on the bottom?
80.
The original amount, which is 80. Okay, what can I do with these zeros? Take the zeros off. Now, let's do it with cross multiplication and division, just so that everybody can see. So, 8 times X is, and I set it equal to 4 times 100, which is 400, and then I divide by 8. And 400 divided by 8, 8 goes into 4, can't, 8 goes into 40, 5 times, and then I have to bring my other 0. So what was the percent increase or decrease? 50% what? Increase. Okay, skip the next one. Let's go to this one. It was $15. It's now $120. Y'all do realize this is how they do it. They go buy stuff, like stores go buy it at wholesale cost, and then they jack the prices up when they put them in their stores, yes? All right, so it was 15, it's now 120. What is the difference of 120 and 15? 105. So that goes on top. What goes on bottom? The original number. All right, let's do this one by simplifying and seeing if the pattern. Can 15 go into 105?
Yes.
How many times?
15.
7. So 15 divided by 15 is 1, and 105 divided by 15 is 7. How do I get from 1 to 100? Times 100. So 7 times 100 is?
700.
So my percent increase was 700% increase. Now this one, y'all should be able to see it in your head. What's the original cost? It is now, it's a 50% decrease. But pretend we don't know, let's go set it up. What goes up top? The difference of 120 and 60 is 60. So that goes up top. What goes on the bottom? The original. Okay? I am going to cross out. Do y'all like cross multiplying and dividing or simplifying and then seeing the pattern? So I'm going to cross out the zeros. And then I'm going to simplify 6 over 12. What is 6 divided by 6? 1. What's 12 divided by 6? How would I get from 2 to 100? Times 50. So this was a 50% decrease. Why is it a decrease? Because the cost went down. Do y'all have any questions on this? Okay, let me get your assignment. Okay, make sure your name is on your paper. You are going to have to set up your own ratios. So before means the original amount. Does everybody understand what before means? And then after is the new. So you need to make your ratios. What goes in the top? The difference. What's the difference of 55 and 88? You would have to go do it. 88 minus 55, 33. What goes on the bottom? What's the original? The before number, yes? So 55 equals X over 100. Once you get your answer, it's going to go here, and then you're going to circle if it's increase or decrease. If you would like to use a separate sheet of paper to show your work, just please attach it to your assignment, yes? Because there's not a ton of space on this to show your work. All right, if you... Let's see. For sure, you've got to get through the front, and let's see how much y'all get through the back, and then I'll let y'all know what we're going to do. Y'all should be able to finish 18 problems in the rest of the class. I think so.